Let's look at another example dealing with rate of change. So remember that average velocity is about the position function. It's in essence the slope of the secant line, so it's the change in our position over change in time. Instantaneous velocity is just the derivative of our position function. So if we have this problem here, it says a silver dollar is dropped from the top of a building that's 1,362 feet tall, and we're given the position function here as s sub t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 1362. The first question that we want to look at says determine what the average velocity is on the interval between 1 and 2. So on the interval when time is 1 and 2 seconds. And we were saying already that we know that the average velocity is going to be given by the value of the position function at time 2, the value of the position function when time is equal to 1 divided by 2 minus 1. So we need to know what is s sub 2 and what is s sub 1. So just plugging in here, we get negative 16 times 2 squared plus 1362. That's going to be equal to 1298. And then negative 16 times 1 squared plus 1362 is going to be 1346. So we can plug this in to be 1298 minus 1346 all over 2 minus 1, which is 1. Or in other words, we have a velocity of average velocity at negative 48 feet per second. Feet per second. Okay, that's the average velocity. Instantaneous velocity is going to be the derivative of the position function. So the derivative of that position function up there says that it's going to be negative 32t, negative 32t. Now, we want to know what is the instantaneous velocity at time is equal to 1, and what is the instantaneous velocity at time is equal to 2. So for this one, we know that the velocity function is negative 32t. So when time is 1 second, we would be at negative 32 feet per second. And when time is 2 seconds, we would have negative 32 times 2, which of course would be negative 64 feet per second. So this is just a simple explanation or a simple example where we're determining both average velocity as well as instantaneous velocity of a function.